Hello. Today, I'm excited to talk about the power of vitamin C and how it can help brighten and rejuvenate the skin. As we all know, the condition of your skin often reflects your overall health. Incorporating vitamin C into your skincare routine can significantly improve your skin's appearance. Many of you may have heard about vitamin C serums and other skincare products, but did you know that you can make your own using natural ingredients found in your kitchen? If you're ready to give your skin a boost, let's get started. Here are 3 vitamin C skincare recipes. 1. Vitamin C face mist. Ingredients: 1 cup of rose water, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of honey. Combine all the ingredients in a clean spray bottle. Shake well to mix the ingredients thoroughly. Store the mixture in the refrigerator for up to a week. Spray the face mist on your face after cleansing and before moisturizing. Benefits: rose water helps tighten and tone the skin, has anti-inflammatory properties, and soothes irritated skin. Lemon juice, a natural source of vitamin C, it helps brighten the skin and reduce dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Its astringent properties also help regulate oil production. Honey, naturally hydrating with antibacterial properties, honey soothes and hydrates the skin. 2. Vitamin C face pack. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of Basan flour, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix all the ingredients together in a bowl to form a paste. Apply the face pack evenly over your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes or until fully dry. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Benefits: Basan flour acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and leaving the skin smooth and soft. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helping to brighten the skin and improve the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Milk, rich in lactic acid, it acts as a natural exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and soothing the skin. 3. Vitamin C serum. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix all the ingredients in a clean, sterile bottle. Shake well to combine. Store in the refrigerator for up to a week. After cleansing your face, apply a few drops of the serum to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Benefits: aloe vera gel hydrates and soothes the skin, providing a calming effect. Vitamin E oil, an antioxidant that protects the skin from environmental damage and keeps it moisturized. By incorporating these natural ingredients into your skincare routine, you can achieve a healthy, glowing complexion. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and proper hydration, plays a crucial role in achieving and maintaining good skin and overall health. Enjoy the journey to healthier, more radiant skin. I had said earlier in a video that I will make a video on home remedies. I hope people don't get bored. Watch the video, share, and subscribe to my channel.